Prime Minister Narendra Modi has expressed happiness as the UN General Assembly adopted resolution to establish a new memorial wall for fallen peacekeepers piloted by India. The third and final working group on W20 began today at Mahabalipuram near Chennai. Very severe cyclonic storm Biparjoy to make landfall near Jakhau Port in Kutch district of Gujarat this evening. IMD issues red alert for coastal areas of Saurashtra and Kutch districts. Union Minister for Women and Child Development Smriti Irani released the W20 communique at the third and final W20 engagement group today. India's Kidambi Srikanth enters quarterfinals of men's singles event at Indonesia Open Badminton Tournament in Jakarta.